This is the 100th video of our channel and this is gonna be so interesting. So I request you to please hit the like button at first so that we can get the motivation to upload some awesome tutorials. In this video I'll show you how to make a business website in Wordpress with Elementor absolutely free. If you are a beginner and don't know how to make a website, then you are at the right place. So this is a complete tutorial to make your website. I'll show you how to get your own domain and hosting, how to install Wordpress, and then I'll show you how to create this awesome website. To create this website, I will use the most popular CMS. I will use the most popular page builder where you don't need any coding knowledge, any product experience or website making knowledge. You can make your dream website just by drag and drop. And I will put all the timestamps so that you can jump over the section if you know about the Elementor. So this is a website we can use for your own business, and here let's overview it, how the things working with this website. So let's overview it. So at first you can see this on the left side, that's logo. Then here we have our header, simple menu header, that is home, about, team, service, FAQ and contact. And if you scroll down here, here's the footer. So let's go through the home page. Here is the big title with text and these buttons, and then here is the our service, small feature service page section. Then next we have about this image with some text and buttons, image with some text and buttons, again with image with some text and buttons. Next we have about the service page, looks like this section. Next we have about the image section. Next this contact, help and support. So here if you click on it, so you can see this scroll to top button. If you click on it, then it will come up to the top. So that's also so interesting. So if you can notice that if you scroll down, it is smoothly scrolling. So we used a plugin to create this. I'll show you step by step in the video. So complete the video, you will get the knowledge. So if you click on this about page, so click on it, and here you can see this about page also looking so awesome, and his counter effect also looking very fine. So we will be creating also these things. And next we have our team page. Here is the team, and here if you scroll down, you can see this all team members image with their headings, titles. So here's the team page. Next we have our service page. Here's the service page here, and this is also looking so awesome. Next we have our FAQ, and from here you can just, if you scroll down here, you can see this accordion. If you click on it, you can expand it and see this how the question and answers work. And if you scroll down, it is also working fine. So next we have a contact. Here is the social media icons with this cool wave effect. It's looking so awesome. Next, these are our sections with contact forms and everything, contact number, email, and then we have all this image and text, image and text. So this is the website we'll be creating with Elementor free version, absolutely free, and we'll be creating within 1 hour. Yes, within 1 hour we'll be creating our own business website with Elementor absolutely free. So without further ado, let's start with our first topic, domain and hosting. So obviously if you want a website for your business, so you have to purchase your own domain and hosting. So what is now domain and hosting? For those if you don't know, but if you know about domain hosting, then you can skip this part. So I'm telling for who did not know about domain and hosting. So domain is actually basically for, this is facebook.com, you already know that, youtube.com, linkedin.com. These are actually the first letter. This is the YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, these are the domain name. And then .com, .in, as you can say, .co, .org, these are the extensions. So you have to purchase your domain name, and I just tell you that a domain name and extension, but if you purchase your domain name, you would get the extension. So and about hosting, so you cannot run your computer 24/7, right? So whenever any visitor wants your website in anywhere from any time, so you cannot open your computer. So that's why you have to purchase the cloud storage. So this is the main hosting part that is here. This is the way to hosting. This is the best hosting for you if you were as a beginner. So here you will get this 85% off is this Black Friday sale, and I will put the description link on the description, the discount link. You will get 80% off here, then you can see this A2 hosting. So here you will get this offer. This is only $9.99 per month, and if you get this 50 GB NVMe SSD storage, so this is huge for your beginner, right? So if you are just starting your own business, or if you are running any small agency, then you can just buy this plan, and this is best for yourself. Like this is the run plan, jump and fly and sell. So this is interesting plans, right? So this is the features of A2 hosting plans. You can buy it from here. This is the run plan, and only $9.99 per month, and you will get this one website, 50 GB NVMe storage, 4 GB memory, RAM, and on-site daily backup, and Jetpack free. So if you hover over it, you can, as you can see here, this is called just telling that a WordPress toolkit loaded with tools to help you speed up, secure, build, and promote a site. So basically this is the plugin where you can upload your own website or WordPress data, and this plugin will speed up your WordPress website. So whenever anyone visit your website, then the website will load fast, right? Okay, so if you want to choose this plan, so simply click on this get run, and you will redirect to another page where you have to select your own domain name. So here you have to just enter your domain name you want to purchase. So if you want to add, if I search here your domain name, okay, your domain name, and if I to put S, I did it before, that's why it is showing. And here you have to put your extension. So if you want to put like .com, so you can simply type here .com, and if you click on use this domain, then it will verify that domain it is available or not. Okay, so this is available, and here as you can see here, this is 36 months, right? So if you want to pay only 12 months, then you can see only $119. So this is so affordable price for as a beginner, and you can simply buy your this hosting without blinking your eye. Seriously, this is so affordable. So if you want to continue with this, then you can simply click on this continue, then you will direct to this fill up page. Then you have to put your additional options like your address and this your credit cards and everything. So I don't want to buy it, and you will get a lot of tutorials about A2 hosting on YouTube, that how you can buy domain hosting from this A2 hosting. So you can watch this tutorial and buy it. So I will step by step show you process that how you can make the website. I will mainly focus on the website, that how you can make it. Okay, so now just go to our WordPress dashboard and let's see how the things work. So if you just watch the tutorial on YouTube, then where you will get the installation process of WordPress. So after installing WordPress, you will be see like this. This is the installing WordPress. After installing WordPress interface, so where you get this WordPress dashboard, this is so messed up. All right, I will simply step by step doing to make it clean and minimalist soon, very soon. So here you will this the WordPress dashboard, and the right top corner here you will get this profile icon, and if you hover over it, you will get this edit profile, logout, and DCreato. So that's the main thing about this right corner. And here underneath this you will get the screen options. So you have to click on the screen options, and here as you can see here, this is too much things here, so I don't want to keep this. Let's remove this. So uncheck this one by one. Okay, here is end. Now as you can see here, this is looking so cool and clean, right? So here you can get the screen options to add and remove this all features, and you can disable and enable all these things. Next is this help, so you can go to the help if you are facing an issue. Okay, next we have our this home page, update and post this media. So before moving forward to this, I want to introduce to all the features. So here as you can see here, this DCreato and home icon. So if you hover on it, you can see this visit site. So if I open this on a new tab, so let's close this. Here you can see this dummy website post. So here basically I just don't put anything. I did not put anything, that's why it is showing is dummy post. So we will be, when we will making our website, then it will be changed automatically. So next we have our this post page, where we will get this hello world post. That's just I know I just introduced you to this page. Okay, next we have our media. Then this media, actually when you will upload any images, logos and everything, content, all the medias you will be stored here, and from here you can delete and remove and everything, you can filter everything also. Next we have our this pages section, where we will create our pages. So for now I am deleting this both pages, so let's move to the trash. Yes. Next we have our comment section. So basically if you have comments from your viewers, right? Next, this is appearance. So if you hover over on it, you can get these options: theme, customize, widgets, menus, background and theme file editor. Okay, so now if you click on themes, then you will see these options. By the way, this is from Astra theme, so I already downloaded it before, that's why it is showing. But for yourself, you will see this only one theme, maybe 2022 theme. Okay, but you will not see this theme because you have to install it from here. This is the add new button, you have to install it from here. I'll show you step by step. Let's introduce you to the WordPress dashboard first. Next we have our plugin section. If you click on install plugins, so here the plugins, because I did not install any plugin, that's why it is showing no plugins are currently available. So if you click on add new, then here is the WordPress huge media WordPress library, plugin library, where you can download your favorite plugin. Here then users, and you can add, remove anything. So I do not click here. Then tools section, where you will get this all tools, and whenever you installed in plugin like WP Reset, then it will also stored here. Then we have our settings. We will just did something, nothing, you can see here, nothing, have changed it. Then if I click on this reading option, okay, here you can see this blog post you want to show or increase and decrease here. Then you have our permalinks. You have to must click on this post name here. As you can see, if I click on permalinks, here it will automatically default showing plain. So you have to click on post name, then click on save changes. Okay, now you will do some changes after installing the pages also, but for now let's close this. Now go back to the WordPress dashboard. Here we just clean our WordPress, clean up our WordPress. Now it is looking so cool. So let's now install the all necessary themes and plugins we will be using to create our website. So here we have to go to the appearance. Here I'm using Astra theme. So if you can use any theme, there is no problem. You can use Astra theme, Hello theme, or any theme you can use. But the main thing is that we have to use the Elementor page builder, because we will be creating this website absolutely free. Okay, so now click on this activate button to download this activate this Astra theme. And if you don't find the Astra theme, click on this add new button here. Then you have to search for Astra. Now if you type here, after installing Astra theme, here you will get this like these options like install and preview. So here I already activated, that's why it is not showing. So you have to click on install, then activate. It will activate Astra theme. Okay, after installing Astra theme, in the left WordPress bar you can see this Astra is showing here. Okay, now install some plugins, necessary plugins. So hover over on plugins and then click on add new. Okay, now let's search for Elementor. Here is our Elementor. If I type here, so this is the Elementor. So this is the most popular and famous plugin ever. So now if I click on this install now button, I have not installed it, that's what it is showing. So let's install it. And after just installing Elementor, we will be installing one more plugin to make our website. But for now, let's just install this, wait for a few seconds, then we will be installing another plugin. So here your Elementor plugin is installed finally. Now if you can search for here Envato, we have to install another plugin that's called Envato. If you type here, then you will see here this option, like this plugin Envato Elements Photos and Elementor Templates by Envato. So you have to click on install now. We need this plugin also to create this website, and this is absolutely free website, so that's why you will use some pre-made templates to create this, and I'll show you step-by-step process how you can customize everything. So there you can see this Envato element is also installed. So to activate these plugins, you can simply click on activate. Also you can go to the install plugin section, then after install plugins, here you can also seeing this activate button, you can also activate, and you can also do this from bulk select. Like here you have to click on activate and click on apply, then automatically the both plugins will activated. So I have just installed 2 plugins, but if you complex your website, if you are using any complex web functions, anything, you have to install 20 plus 30 plus plugins. So then we have to just click on install this activate button, bulk section, then click on apply. Automatically all the plugins will activated simultaneously. Now we have our 2 plugins, Elementor and Envato Elements, and with these both plugins we will be using this website, and step by step, one by one, we will be installing another plugins. For now we will go with these 2 plugins. Okay, go to this dashboard. Now you can see here this is Elementor overview is coming, so I'm closing this from here, and after installing 2 plugins, here as you can see this elements is added after in the template. This element is added, so here it is coming from the Envato Elements. So if you hover over it, you will see this welcome template kit and free kit. So if you click on it, and here from this template kit you can also go from here free kits, also you can go from here also free kit, also you can go from here, so you can go from anywhere this free kit option. So this is basically for the free unlimited pre-made template kits from Envato Elements, and from the free kits you will get this 153 template including this 2389 free individual templates. That's huge, right? So this Envato element is actually powerful, and you can use your own pre-made templates as from this Envato element. So if you can search here, so as we are creating this business website, so startup, so this is basically for startup. So if you search for here startup, so you will be see like this options, this template, this startup business. So we'll be installing this theme, this pre-made template to create our website. So you can also simply preview on it and install it. So let's preview it at first, that how the things look. Okay, so let's wait for some few seconds, and it is loading here. So let's talk about this the theme, that how you can use this theme, and okay, this preview is also ready. Now as you can see here, this home page, then the service page, about page, and everything is looking absolutely beautiful, and all these websites are beautifully responsive. You don't have worry about this responsive part because it is made by the professional developers, so it is just awesome. Now install all the pre-made templates one by one and to create our website. Okay, next we have our this installed kit. So if you click on this, or you can also from here go from here, also you can this preview button, then you can go from this install button, but I am installing this kit, full kit. So okay, this installed kit is now installed. If you can click on view kit, you will see these pages. Okay, so this interface is looking so awesome because all the pages are now coming, but here is one twist, because here you can see this green button, so, and here this is a red button. So basically this red button is for pro users. We are using free template, we are using free Envato kits, that's why we can download only this green template, green button pages, that is this import template button, and we cannot download these pages. Okay, now if you can think that how you can customize everything, so you can customize it also with free versions, there is no issue. So we will be installing these free templates and we'll customize everything. We don't need this paid themes, we will not use it. will use only these themes, and if you have Elementor Pro, then you can use these themes. And if you have not Elementor Pro, I'll suggest you to download it from our description. You will get some offer, and so if you also get some better discount with this all link, and will get some commission to that will help our channel to move forward this awesome tutorials. So let's install the home and everything. So now let's one by one install it. So first of all, this home one, we will use it. So click on import template, and these are the template we'll be importing on our Elementor page. So let's first import one by one, that like home page, and we can download these pages. So we will be go with this one, that about us page. Then we'll be using this this team section, then the service section. So okay, now this home is now downloaded. You can also view template, or you can go from Elementor page. So let's download at one by one all, then we will be using all these things. Now if you want this about us, because we cannot use this about us, so you'll be using this about us free template. So let's wait for a few seconds, and here this is downloaded. Next we want the service section, that what we do. So let's install it, and next we will be using this team member section. So at first wait for a few seconds and let's install it. So this is importing. Actually I'm using installing mode, but this is importing. Next we have our this team member section. So let's import this, and after installing just few seconds, this is depend on your network connection. So maybe you have a fast internet connection, you will get the first service here. And here is a team section imported finally. Next I want this FAQ section, so let's import this also. So next we will use this contact us section, so you can also click on import, and we will finally finished our importing. And here are the paid templates, we will not use it, so that's why I do not to touch it here. Now we have downloaded all these things. Now let's go to the Elementor page, and let's create one by one. Okay, here are the pages section, WordPress dashboard, and here are the pages. So here is the no pages found, because we did not create any pages. So let's as first create on add new, and I'm opening with a new tab, and here we have to write our main home page. Then we can simply click on publish, and here will be published. And here we can see this green blue button with Elementor. Let's click on it, and after loading this page, here the Elementor is coming. So here is showing the Elementor AI, so we don't do anything, and we can simply ignore it. Now here you can see this Elementor header and Elementor footer. So we'll also create this Elementor header and footer from scratch, that how you can make this header and footer. So at first import the template that we downloaded from now. So here is the Envato icon. You can see after hovering, this is showing Envato elements. We can simply import from here. But before moving forward to this tutorial, you must click on this settings icon, then check on this hide title. So whenever if you put the title from this page, then you can hide easily. And page layout, from page layout we have to select Elementor full width. So for anyhow you can use this Elementor page and everything, and you can use any theme like Astra. You cannot, maybe you are not using Astra, so there is no problem, but you have to install this Elementor page builder, and here you have to click on this hide title, and page layout will be full width. Now click on this update button. Okay, next we have our this importing section, that is Envato elements. Then you have to click on it, then you will get this sections, that is installed template in an installed kit. From here you can import all these things, but we will be using this Elementor folder icon to import all these things. And here it will be, if you just hover view on it, that you can see this Elementor Pro features, Elementor Pro blocks, and they have templates. So we will be not using anything. Here you have to go to the my templates, and here as you can see here we have downloaded these pages, so that's why it is showing here. So next step by step we have to install this home one, then about us and everything. So let at first install home one, because we have just created this home page, that's why click on install, insert, then apply. So after waiting just a few seconds, here as you can see this now website is now just made with few clicks. So you may think that this is messed up with the text and everything, but this is not. If you click on this hide panel, and here you can see now this it is looking so beautiful, right? So this is so powerful that we can just made our website with few seconds and few clicks. So this is just terrific. Now if you want to add any section, any delete anything, image, add image and delete image, I will show you step by step, but we have to first set up our all the templates. So let's update this. Now if just we created the home page, next we have to create our about page. So I'm refreshing this page and I'm just adding one by one. Here is your about page, so click on publish, and if I click on publish here and here is the Elementor, so we have to now click on Elementor elements, click on the Elementor button, my templates, and here is your about us. So click on insert and click on apply, and here you can see this about us page. This is so looking cool. Now if you click on update, it will be automatically updated. Now go back to the WordPress dashboard. Okay, here WordPress, then click on add new. But I think this is so time taking process, but I don't want to bore you, so let's enjoy the time lapse. Alright, so here I have imported all the pages we want to create on this website. So now let's overview all of them and go back to this page here. Okay, next we have the WordPress dashboard. Here I've created all these pages, imported all the pages from the Elementor elements. And now if you want to create this home page as your front home page, so we have to go to the settings, then general, and here from this reading option, here we have to select this static page, then home page as a home page. Okay, this static page, home page, then home. Then you have to click on save changes. Go back to this visit site. If you click on new tab, and here you can see this home page is our this pages home page, front page, right? So this is how you can add the front page as a home page. And here you have to go to the WordPress dashboard, and if you click on visit site here, you can see this is working absolutely fine. Now if you click on about, then it will show the about us page, then contact, then it will show contact page obviously, then next FAQ, yes, this is also showing same thing, and then again home. So actually this is home will come up this here. Okay, next we have our service page. So here our service page, team section, and here is also coming team section. Alright, so finally we have our all these templates from the Elementor elements, and now we have to fix our header, to create our header, customize your header and footer. Here we have to customize your header and footer. Next we will go through this all customizations, how we can add those things. So to edit header and footer, we can go to this customize option from here. So here you have to click this customize, and here we have to upload our own logo and then menus and everything. So to upload our logo, we need to a logo. Obviously we need a logo. So how can you create the logo absolutely free? So here is the website called logomaker.com. So I will put this website link on the description. Simply you can go to this link and you will get to this interface. So here you can just showing this button, big button, start my design. So if you have to click on it, and here in this website you will can just create your own logo absolutely free. Yes, so if you search, type here cube. I want to use a cube icon to in our business site, so I'm searching for cube, and here get to this cube. So I'm downloading this one. Okay, here you have to just click on it and it will automatically come up with the page. So here you have to drag and drop it from here by this clicking on this mouse, and here we have to type here, like if you want to add your logo. So I'm typing here logo, and here you will put your own business name. You have to put your own business name here, and here you have to click on this arrow icon, then select font. So I am going with this Poppins bold. Okay, next we have to customize our color. So I already copied our color, brand color, from our notepad. So I will simply copy the primary color and paste it over there. So click on this logo text, and then here you have to paste our color here. And next I want to make this cube color also be the same. Okay, so here is your logo, and then you have to just increase this icon here. So I think it's looking perfect. Now let's align this with this. Okay, next we have to download our logo, and this is looking so awesome, right? So let's center it with this logo now. So this is looking just awesome. So I want to go with this logo. I just happy with it. So we have to download it. How can you download it? In the right corner you can see this memory card icon. Click on it. You can just wait for a few seconds, and here this is the download option, but we don't have to click here. You don't click here because here is showing pay, because high resolution license files, but we will download low resolution files. So click on it and you will get your own email address from here. You have to input it, then click on send file to email. So here is the email. It came after waiting few seconds, and here if you click on download file, it will download the file here. So go to the customize option here, then you have to upload our own logo. So hover over it and click on this pen icon. We have our logo here. So site title. Okay, so I am disabling this inline logo title. So I want to only show the logo, so I am deleting this one here, and select logo. From select logo I am uploading this one, logo maker, from the image. Okay, this one I am using this logo here. So let's drag and select the logo from full size and click on crop. Okay, now our logo is now came up on our website, but this is too big. So let's control it from here, logo width. Also you can go to the design section. So let's fix it. Here you have to go to design section, and here you will get this logo color, title color and everything. So I think go to the general, and here you will get this logo width option. But if you squeeze this, so it will automatically squeeze your logo. So how can you fix that? Let's see. So here you can see this design option. So here the title font is actually, this is title because this is the title, site title. So if you put right here, then it will work on this title. Then spacing here is not showing the logo. So simply we can also change from another setting, that is Elementor, and I think it will also change our logo from here. So if you decrease it with low width, then if you click on publish, and let's see that it is actually squeeze our logo or not. So here's the logo. It is, you can see this actually not squeezing, it is showing from here. So if you click on pen icon, and here you have to just select your own desired size. I'm selecting 85, and let's refresh this page, and here is your logo is coming. So if you can increase it, so simply you can increase it. Next we have this menu. So how can you create our own menu? So let's go to the appearance. Here go to this hover on appearance, go to the WordPress dashboard and appearance. Next, hover on this and click on menus. So here from you have to select your menu. So at first we have to create our own menu here. So let's create a menu. Like if you click on primary menu, then we have to write here menu name as a primary menu. Here you have to write here primary menu. Now click on this create menu option, create menu button, and here from custom link you can create this menu, but it is already this pages is showing, so that's why I'm selecting from this one. So let's select this about page. Okay, add to menu, then it is showing add to menu here. Then I want to showcase our team page, and next we have to select services, then FAQ, and then contact. Also you can select all to click on add to menu, then automatically added all these things, all the menus, but I just show you step by step. And here is about team, home, service, and FAQ and contact. So if you want to add home, so how can you add that, because there is nothing showing. So click on this custom link, and then I am putting hash here, and then I will write the actual address. So let's add the home, and here is your home address, website address. So let's paste it and click on add to menu. Now drag and drop it here onto the top, and here we'll see home, about, team, service, FAQ, and contact. Click on this save menu button, and our primary menu is successfully created. So let's go to this website and refresh this, and here as you can see home, about, team, service, FAQ, and contact as we just make it now. So let's customize it, because it is not looking good with this font and colors and everything. So let's customize it. How can I customize? Just go to this customization. This is theme customizer, Astra theme customizer. So let's click on this primary menu option. Then this is a width showing, so I'm happy with the width, I don't want to change it. So let's configure from menu here. Here is showing primary menu selected. So next we have to go to the design. So let's click on this pen icon, go to the design here, and then menu hover style. If you selected underline, and if you can see properly, but is not showing because we did not put any color, so we can none, selected none, and have to select the things, that is menu color, text link, and everything. So for the text link, and I am using this primary color. So let's copy the primary color. I am copying from here, the notebook. So let's paste it here. This is the color, you can see this is changing. So next, if you hover on it, you can see this is showing normal, then this is hover, then this is active. So in the hover, I want to use our secondary color, that is something like blue type color. Okay, next you have to paste it over there. So whenever I will hover, you can see this is the color is showing. Next we have active color. Absolutely, I will also want to show this color as active color. Now if you click on this home, you can see this active, actually that's why it is showing this blue color. Next we have our font. So menu font, I am from selecting this font family to Poppins, because we have created our Poppins font website, that's why. Next I am using this this font size controller to make the font size like 16 pixel. I am using, I think 14 pixel is good. 16 pixel, let's keep it 16 pixel. Next, this is showing in capitalized, so you can make it also this uppercase as your choice, but I don't want to do this. I want to go with this capitalize. Next we have our spacing. So if you give the spacing pixel like 30 pixels, so you can see that this 30 pixel is also doing here. So I don't want to use this, so let's keep it as it is. Now click on this publish. Don't forget to click on this publish after doing some changes, because you will lost your old works. And here if you properly see here, this is the site title. So site icon, here you can see this globe icon. So here you can upload your own logo here. As you can see, this site icon. After scrolling down in the logo, you can see the site icon. If you can select site icon here, from here if you select this one, then select, and here from you can see this cube, so drag and drop it here, crop image, and here after you click on publish, you can see this cube icon here. So this is how you can create this site icon. And if I click on cross back, here's the home page, and you can see this logo, this menu, then site icon. So this is how we can create this header. So next we have our footer. So let's talk about this footer, then we will customize all the pages, home page and about page and everything. So let's customize the footer. So click on the customize, and next we have our this footer. Scroll down, and we can see this cool footer is not coming, so we will create this. Okay, let's click on this, click with the Elementor, and next I wanna give this background color as a secondary dark background color like this one. Next we have to click on this Astra theme. Okay, I'm selecting this copyright here, from this powered by. Okay, selecting this text. Next is background color, so I'm giving the text color to white. So you can see this white is coming, and then this is the theme meter, Astra theme meter. So I want to keep this color, so let's select this publish, and after clicking on this cross icon, now simply our footer is ready. If I scroll down, you can see this is coming, but we forgot to add our Poppins font here. So let's add the Poppins font. Scroll down and click on this pen icon, and here go to the design, and here it is not showing Poppins font here because here is showing fonts formats. Sorry, let's find out where is the main font here. Okay, so we can also give the global font from here also. So let's select typography, and this body font I am selecting this Poppin font. So select this one, Poppins, and after selecting Poppins, automatically all the text and everything will be made it to Poppins. So let's publish it and cross this here, and if I refresh this, now our logo, the menu is looking fine, absolutely fine, better than before. Okay, next we have our customization, because we just made our header footer. Okay, let's customize one by one, like home page, about, team and service and FAQ. But actually this no need about customization, this is actually fine. But if you want to know that how you can customize, how you can add all those things, so let's talk about it. So let's go to the home page. I'm crossing these pages, and here from WordPress, let's talk about these pages. So here is our home page. If I click on these pages, here is your home page, and if I click on edit, then it will go to this with WordPress, and then click on edit Elementor. Next we have our this after loading page. Here is the Elementor. So here you can see this text. So this is basically this text, and from after clicking on this here, you can edit them. Like if I write here edit, so here is showing edit. So that's how you can just change the text, simple as that. And here you can see this tag options. So you don't change this, you don't want to change. If you don't want to change it, so you can keep it, but by the way you can want to change it, so from here you can change it. Don't click here, click here, from here you can change it. So this is basically simple HTML code. So it is showing strong tag, so that's why it is looking some another different from the text. That's why I am telling you. So next we have about this paragraph section. So after you hover on this, you can click this pen icon, then you can simply change the paragraph here. Next we have the button. So let's click on it, and you can see this button is hovering. So how you can change the button color hover? So go to the style tab, and here you can see this default background color. So if you click on it, and then if you want to change the light green color, as you can see here, this is green color, and this is absolutely changing. Next, this is the hover. So if you click on hover, so you can see this blue color. So if you click on red, so if you want to keep on red color after hovering, so if you hover over it, you can see this wine color is coming. Okay, let's remove it. I don't want to keep it, so let's remove it from here and selecting the global color. Okay, let's remove this from here. Here is remove. I think we have to paste our code, color code from here to use the primary color. So let's upload this color code, then next hover, and here's the color, and I'm pasting the color code from here. So after just hovering, you can see our default color is coming. So let's update this. Okay, next we have our image. So how can you change the image? So if you properly, you can see this is actually column. If you can see this, if you click on container, this is actually called container. If you click on this 6 dot icon, you will see this container. After hovering on this, you can see this container. And next you have to go to the style tab, and here is the background image. This is a landscape image. So this full image, so you can just copy, change and everything, delete, and from here this image, if you can click on delete also, you can choose another image, and you can change the position, attachment, repeat and everything. So from here you can change the images. Okay, next move on to the next section, that is this feature service section. So how can you change the text, how can you change the buttons and everything. So this is the title. Already I show you how you can change the title. Just simply click on this title. After clicking on this title, you can simply change the title. And next, if you have this icon box section, so click on this, and this is the image box. Actually, you can simply click on this choose image button, and you will have to access to the image WordPress media library, and you can change the image. And here is the text part. You can change the text from here, this title and description. And that's how in the same way you can change the other text also. And if you properly see that, if I hover over on it, this is actually changing the background color. So how can I do that? How can you see that this background is changing? So click on this column, go to the style tab, and here on the advanced tab you will see this, go to that style tab, and here is showing the background. So here is the color applied on the default, and after hovering, here's the color applied. So if I hover on it, that's why it is changing. And you can also change the opacity and decrease over here. If you click on this, you can see this changing. I am changing this column colors, background color, hover color, that's why it is changing. So let's keep it as default. Okay, now it's looking good, so let's update it, and next move on to the next section. So scroll down, you can see this image and everything. So this is actually image. So if you click on it, and you can simply change the image here, and here's the button. So this button is so easy, but you can see this border. So this basically a bottom border is giving. Here's the border width, and here's the button. If you do this from to the 3 side, after this you can see this button. So here is the main trick, Elementor trick, to show you that you can also confuse that how you can make this if you beginner, right? So that's how you can create this button here. Next we have about this image. This is also same way, you can change the image from here, choose image, and you can change the image. And also this location icon also, this is the image, you can change from here. In the same way you can do here. And here is our same service page that I explained in the text section. So that's how this home page works. And here is your help and support, and here's the icon box. If you click on it, and you can simply change the image here, then phone number, then text and everything. And in the same way you can change this too also. So that's how you can customize the home page. So let's say if you want to add from yourself another section, so how you can do that? Simply click on this plus icon. Then if you want to add a left side image, right side text, or right side image, left side text, you can use this 2 column structure, or else you can use this 1 column. So I'm going with this 2 column structure. Next we have to click on this container, Then minimum height, I am selecting this VH and I'm giving 100 VH height. Okay, next move out the style tab. Then background type I am giving to the image. So let's select one image here. If we can take it as a good image, here is the image I am selecting. Next I am selecting this position to top right, and attachment will be, I'm not doing nothing here, no repeat, no repeat, and replace size will be cover. So here is the image is coming. Now if you want to add an overlay, how we can do that? So because after putting the text, this image will not properly visible, so you want to add an overlay. So here is the background overlay. Click on this, and here we have to choose your color. So background type from here, color, then I'm from the default color. So you can also choose color from here, but I want to use our own brand color, this website color. So let's click on it and just paste it over there, and here you can see this color is coming, but this is opacity is too much. So let's decrease it first from here, and then opacity I'm giving from here, like this much opacity I want to give. So let's update it, and here you can see this plus icons. So click on this plus icon, place the heading here. This is actually a elements bar. From here you can add these elements: heading, image, text, videos, button, special, columns, and everything. So drag and drop it from here, heading, and you can simply add the heading. So if you want to add heading, so let's say heading, this is the text heading I am writing here. So you can change the text color. So how you can do it? Click on the style tab and text color. From here you want to choose this theme color, and then you want to choose the typography. So click on this, and then I'm selecting this Poppins typography. Here's Poppins, and it is showing. So let's increase the weight to 800. Here is showing in bold. Increase the size. So drag and drop it from here. You can simply increase the size from here. And here if you properly see that this is actually not centered in vertically. So how you can do that? So click on this column, then justify content center, and then you can see this content now centered in vertically. So that's how you can centralize this content in vertical. Next, placed our on heading, this text editor. So let's place here, I'm selecting this one. Yes, now click on the style tab and text color I'm giving this theme text color. And next we have our button. So let's place one button here. And how you can customize this button, if you can see it? So click on this, and we'll be using also one icon. If you want to use icon, like if you want to use arrow icon, so let's say if you want to use this arrow icon, click on insert, and here is showing before text. So I want to place the icon after text. So here's the option, icon position after, and then icon spacing I'm giving it to 5 pixel icon spacing. Then go to the style tab, and here typography I am selecting this Poppins font here. Here's the Poppins font, and here is the color. So let's select the color, background color I'm giving the primary color or brand color. So how you can, here is the brand color here, and as you can see this border is radius coming. So let's unbind this, and here you can see this this corner is now not rounded, this is actually squared. So here how you can create this button, and if you want to customize it more, so let's create this 14 pixel, and here we have to give us some padding. So let's increase the padding from here, and this unbind this I'm giving to the right to 22, and from the left I'm giving it to 22. Now let's add some box shadow here. From the box shadow, if you click on it, and then just simply after clicking on it, this is showing box shadow. But if you want to customize it, then you can customize it from here also, this vertical, this horizontal, like here. And if you want to decrease the blur, and you can do this as well. So that's how you can create the button, text, and heading here. I show you how you can add from yourself if you want to add your own section on this container. So how you can do that? So let's close this, and I want to go with this home page. So that's how you can create this home page. So let's go back to the exit, and here you have to go to our Wordpress dashboard, and here is your home page is now very complete with the customization. Next we have our this service page. Also you can see it, also about page and everything is just stored here. So if you click on this element to the about page, so let's see that about this page is fine, working fine or not, and how you can change the text and everything. So here's the same thing about this home page. The same way you can add this and delete this all things. Like if you left click on it, and here if you want right click on it, you will get these options like duplicate, copy, paste and delete and everything, and you can simply do your work. And here if you notice some interesting things, that if you load this page, so the numbering effect is happening in this bottom of page like here. So how you can change the numbers? So let's select on it, and here is showing counter. So this is actually a counter element from the elements bar, and it is also free from version. So if you click on it, and then you will get this page, and here you can change that number. So if you want to change the number with 150, so let's select this 150, and if you can see this 150, after countering the 150 this is stopped. And here you can animation duration, this is also showing. So 2000, if you can add the 5000, so it will slowly come up, and if you add 1000, then it will come up faster. That's how we can play around with these settings to change all the counter effects in the same way. So okay, now next move on our this next page, that is service page. So let's exit it from here also, and next go to this service. So now I'm opening with a new tab here, and here is your service page. So here is also same thing, that we can change the text and images and everything. Same way you can change it from here also. And this is all the pages looking similar because we have installed from the Elementor element, imported from the Elementor element. That's why it is showing. Next we have our this contact page. So let's open it, and now you can see this contact is also coming with the social icons. And if you scroll down, you will see these options like locations and everything. So simply we can change it from image from here, text from here, and this button from here. That's so simple, right? So next we have our FAQ section, FAQ page. So open with the link tab, and here okay, next we have our FAQ sections, and let's see these accordions are working fine or not. So if you close this here, and if you click on it, then it is working absolutely fine. So how you can change the accordion FAQ sections, FAQ questions? So hover over on this and click on this pen icon, and here if you can see that this is title and this is content. So from here you can change the title. Like if you want to add some questions like do you know this, if you can question mark it, and you will see this do you know this. So you can customize it also. Like if you go to the style tab here, from style tab, and if you want to add customize the title, so select it and go to the typography. So I don't want to use this underlines, so let's deselect this. So decoration from this, and I am selecting none, and you can see this is now removed. So I want to use this clean effect, that's do you know this. So I want to use this only text, so let's keep it and update it. So this is how you can change the text and questions, everything. Next, in the same way you can also change this section like this. Okay, next we have our this about us page. So I think I already just show you how we can change this. Yes, so here's how you can customize everything. So let's overview of the full website, that how you can how we did that pages and everything. So here is the home page. If you click on it, it is showing active button, that's why it is on blue color, dark blue color. Next we have our this page section, this section, and everything is just awesome. So now let's click on this about, and here is also the same thing, it's counter effects happening and everything. But if you know that a motion effect, something called transition, so it is looking like a boring website. This is looking awesome, but if you add some more like spices, so it will look very awesome. So let's add something. So if you can click on this home page, let's say this is home page, and here from here if you click on this text, then go to the Advanced tab, scroll down, here you will see this motion effect, and from here I am selecting this fade on left, and I think it is fade on up, it is looking fine, yes, fade on up. Then click on this, go to the Advanced tab, and from motion effect this select also fading up, and then button also motion effect, then fade in up, yes. So this is looking so awesome after selecting this. And here we have to select also main thing, that is this title. Click on this Advanced tab and motion effect, I'm selecting this fading up, and here also I'm selecting this fading up, and then this for this column I am using this fading left and right. Okay, next we have to select this fading left, and here I want to use the fading up, and here I want to use this fading up with this fading right, yes. So whenever I will scroll down, it will from this column will come from left, this section, this column is come from right, and this is come from up. So let's update it. Now if you just refresh this page, you can see this cool motion is coming, and if you just refresh, it is also coming from left, this right, and this fade up. So this is how you can just transform your website to the next level with motion effects. So if you scroll down, if you can see this automatically coming, that is scroll to top. If you click on it, it will come up to the top of your page. So if you just click on it, it will come up page. So if you scroll down, you can see this scrolling is not smooth, so we need to install one plugin so that our website scrolling experience will just awesome with the viewers. We want that, so that's why go to the WordPress dashboard, then plugins, and click on add new, and then we need to add a smooth scroll. So let's add smooth scroll, type here. You already downloaded it, that's why it is showing. I downloaded it before. So if you have not watched the tutorial, you can also watch from our channel. I already explained you how you can use the smooth scroll. So let's install now, and wait for a few seconds, and it will be installed. And here is nothing to do, just we have to click on install, activate it, and it will work. So install it, you can see this installed in front of you. I am just clicking on this activate button, and I will not do anything. I'll not do anything. Just if I click on this website and this refresh, and here after this I am scrolling, you can see before it is looking like 60 Hz and it is now 120 Hz. So how can you change the mouse scroll effects also, mouse wheel? So here is the tool option. We can this tool option, this is the settings. You can see this mouse wheel smooth settings, scroll settings. So click on the settings, and here you can change the frame rate, animation time, and step size and everything. So you can play around with the settings. If you know that you can change it, so you can change it also. If you don't know that if you change it, so how can you default, how can you go to the default? So don't change it, keep it as well. So we have our this whole page, that home page, about and team and service. So let's click on one by one from menu. So we have our now home page. So click on about, then about is coming. Click on team is coming. Service, it is also coming. FAQ, this is also working fine. Contact, this is also working fine. Then go back to the home, this is also already working fine. And if you click on this logo also, it is coming from the home website. So this is how you can create this awesome business website absolutely free with Elementor free version. So here we created this website, but if you want some professional website, like if you want to scale up your business, so you need professional website, so you can go with the theme forest. these are the website. You can install it from your, or for your agency you can use it. So you have to purchase it from here, but I just show you from the free website that how can you make this. But if you scale up your business, then you have to purchase these websites, so you can purchase this and use it. But if you want us to create your own website professionally, then you can contact us through the link. I'll put the link here. We are a team of creative developers who will develop your website very professionally. So if this video is helpful for you, hit the like button, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the first notification. And thank you so much for watching this full tutorial. I will see you on the next video.